Question 4C is now asking you to calculate the average amount of comp time taken per year, or the net comp time off, NCTO. And you want this answer in days. This is where it gets a little tricky when you're dealing with one question, you're dealing with days, and another question, you're dealing with hours. So you just please pay attention to details, especially on this question. So calculate the average amount of net comp time off in days per officer per year based on the two tables below. So this is, again, very important. Pay attention to the groups that you're in and don't mix them up. So my L group, based on the first initial of my last name, I'm L group 2. It gives you highlighted here the average amount of overtime in hours per year is 42. And then my average comp time taken, or CTT, is 58 hours per year. And then I have to switch my groups because I'm in F group 3, and this fraction of the amount of patrol time worked in patrol is 60%. You're going to simply plug these numbers into your formula to come up with the answer. And then you'll have an additional step, as you'll see. So as I do this calculation, NCTO equals comp time taken minus the fraction times the overtime. So you're simply plugging in numbers, and again, do what's in the parentheses first. NCTO equals 58 minus, again in the parentheses, 0.6, which is 60%, times 42, which is the overtime. So I'm literally just plugging in my numbers, do what's in the parentheses first, and then do the subtraction. So 0.6 times 42 is 25.2. 58 minus 25.2, I come up with 32.8. But these are all in hours. And how do I know they're in hours? Because it tells me at the top of the table, these are hours per year. Hours per year. And so when I do this calculation, these are hours per year. So the question wants me to get my net comp time off in days. So how do I get hours into days? I'm going to divide by 8, which is my shift length. NCTO equals 32.8 divided by 8, and now it's 4.1 days off per year. And so again, pay attention to the details.